So this is the video where I'm going to be showing you how to do liquify, sky replacement, and also copying and like pasting an object. So first up, we're going to be doing sky replacement. So we're going to be going to, first we're going to need to make sure we're selecting that, and then we're going to go to edit and find sky replacement, which is right here. And then we can click on this and like choose any of these skies. Like this one doesn't really look that good for this. And there's also like this one, this one, this one. But the one of the best ones is this one. So I'm gonna keep it like this. And I can make it a bit more yellowish, like sunny, and I can make it more darker, like bluish nighttime. Or I can make it just right in between blue and yellow, like gray. So that's sky replacement. Really easy. So that's it. Next up, we're going to be doing liquifying. So we go to filter and we click on, or you can do Shift Control X. Huh? I guess it didn't work. So let's just click on it. And then here's liquifying. So there's a pucker one which makes stuff smaller, a bloat which makes stuff like bigger, and then there's a push left to make like a skinny neck if you wanted it to be more like pushed. Or like it's hard to use it. So I'm just gonna restore all. So first I'm gonna do bloat. So like I can make my eyes bigger. Use the two brackets, the left one to make it smaller, this thing smaller, and the right one to make it bigger. So now the dot's smaller. So now I can do it a bit easier. So I guess I'm gonna have huge eyes. So I'm gonna make it a bit bigger, and then there. Since it was like shiny, the like flash, it made a little like white spot. So like it's a reverse eye. So now we can use the bloat tool on making this really big, and making this really big, and then we can make my hair really puffy if we want to. But I'm gonna make these buttons a bit bigger, and then I'm gonna make my teeth bigger. Or my whole mouth bigger. What the? What the? And then I'm gonna make my nose smaller with the pucker. Actually, I'm gonna make one of my eyes smaller. And then I'm gonna make this really small up here. So I have a small ear. A weird ear. No, I'm weird. So you can like do that, and then I'm gonna use the float to make the other one bigger. And then to finish it off, we can we can do this. No, circle head. And then let's use the pucker. Oh, let's make it as big as the head. What's happening? Yes, that's what you can do. Now I have a really small head. Let's make the rest of me smaller. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for the liquify. Wait, but I want to see this. We didn't really get to use the push left tool, so I'm gonna use it on my eyes. And maybe you could use it for your eyelashes to make it look like they're like up. And then I'm gonna see what I can do with my teeth and my nose. there. But there's something funny you can do with the pucker. Just store all, and we need to make that way smaller. So if you make it a good size with um brackets, you can make your teeth really small, like babyish. So you're like a baby. I'm a baby now. Wah, wah, wah. And then I'm gonna make my eyes small, like a little baby, or bigger. Yeah, bigger, bigger, bigger eyes, bigger eyes, bigger eyes, bigger eyes, bigger eyes. Wait, you can hold the bracket and it will go whichever one you're doing. And then let's make that ears smaller. And then nose smaller. And if, wait, the blow is B. So now we're on that. And we can make my hair really puffy. Or we can use S for pucker and make my hair really small. Okay, so that's what you can do. Oh, and there's a funny thing that you can do with the blow on your nose. So you make sure you have a big bracket, and then you do it to your nose, and you get a big weird nose. Hello there. And then S, and let's make me smaller again. So that's gonna be it for the Liquify. So let's be done with that. Now we have me like that. So next up is gonna be so the copying thing. So I'm gonna be cutting out this Minecraft Steve guy and making a bunch of copies of him on this Among Us scaled map. So we click on this the quick selection tool that looks like a paintbrush. And we select everything we want. So we're gonna have to go around that. And there. So now we do Control J or J, I think. And then that's the Control J, I guess. Control J, and we have to hide the white with this little eye right here. There. Now the white's gone. There. So you're gonna need to go to this plus sign thing with the arrows and Control J as many times as you want, and you can see over here, over I can't point because it's like the camera can't get all the way up there. So over here you're gonna see all these copies. So there's so many copies, and then I can drag this guy over here because there's a bunch of copies of that. And if you go over here to these two arrows pointing at each other, you can flip them. So there's, now he's doing a dance. Oh yeah, dance, 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 dance. Now we can do a weird dance, and then you can do both. So I'm gonna have this guy down here, and this guy is gonna be looking this way and going over there. And then this guy is gonna be over here, upside down, looking that way. And then this guy's just gonna be walking over here. And there's gonna be a bunch of random Steves going all around, walking in circles, doing their stuff over and over, over and over. So there. That's kind of the copy thing. So that's kind of it. That's all. So that's it. Bye. 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 Bye.